Happy Sunny Sunday. And for this Sunny Sunday, we are going to the Cruis'n the Park car show presented by West Coast Customs at Six Flags. And we might... Okay.
Yoo-hoo!
Say hi, Dad. Say hi.
Hi, Dad.
We're going to Six Flags Park today, which is only like 5 minutes away from our house. And we haven't been at Six Flags in like over a year, which I'm very excited to go back to the park, even though we can't ride the rides. But we're going to go see some very cool cars, and we're going to have fun.
Fun!
Fun! So we just got in line, and they gave us this little gift bag. So I will show you our haul. We got brownies. I'm so excited. And they have M&Ms on top. They smell so good. Okay. Next, we got amazing popcorn. Super excited about that. And then we got this Superman, and Dad thinks there's candy! Oh my gosh! Okay. We're going through a car wash.
This little bubbles. Oh, it's supposed to be like a car wash.
Whoa!
Bubbles.
Car wash, yeah. Dad?
I know, Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We're na-na-na-na-na-na.
Isn't that cute? Daddy, you should know what kind of car that is, right?
That's what I like.
That one's kind of a pretty color.
That's a nice one.
That's a truck.
Chevy.
Oh, I like this one.
These look like Model Ts, huh?
Yep.
Those are kind of cute.
That's why you need the trailer. That thing's like a big Hot Wheel.
That car's kind of cute.
The pink one?
Yeah.
It's got broken hearts. It's got eyelashes.
Oh,
Aw.
sad.
You crying?
No.
I wonder where they got all these cars from.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. I know. Look at all those speakers.
It's on a red carpet. That's how bougie it is.
That's how bougie it is.
Yeah. Bougie.
That thing is crazy.
This one's cool too. With that.
It's
Oh,
Dodgers. It's Dodgers.
it says Transformer. There's a Transformer thing on it.
Oh, it is too.
Oh, likes the
Look at this
Dodgers.
green one. That's for George.
Whoa! They took the tires off and everything
Whoa.
so you could see. That one you need a ladder.
How would you get up there?
Their buses do not look like that now.
No,
They don't?
Not at all.
no.
Okay, and we just finished seeing all the cars. What did we think?
Awesome.
We saw really cool cars, actually. It was actually really cool to see all, like, the rustic, the vintage, the really big cars, the custom cars, and I had a lot of fun. Hopefully we can come back to Six Flags and actually ride the rides. But right now, this was actually really fun, and it was a safe way to do it, and I had a lot of fun with my family. And it is still open, so people can still come next weekend, and you guys should come and see it. It's really fun. And I hope you have a good Sunday, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye. Love you.